Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Plane.
What does the dictionary say?
A surface generated by a straight line moving at a constant velocity with respect to a fixed point.
Math rap.
As the math definition of plane takes flight, you'll soon learn it's all about the sight. A flat surface with no thickness that goes on forever. Though we draw a plane with edges, they're there, never.
Math rap.
What is the best kind of transportation to take in math and why? A plane, because it goes on forever. How do math teachers like their bagels? Plain. Explain planes in your own words. List at least 5 objects that have the properties and fit the math definition of a plane. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!